Boom, ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? It's your boy Frank with another DIY. Today I will be working on Pajero, where I want to replace the inner and the outer tie rods. So stay tuned. So here we are. We have the Pajero. So actually what we want to do, as I said, is to replace the inner and outer tie rod. So for this we'll have to take the wheels off, and I will try to show you what are the symptoms of this, which most part of them is actually related with clanking. I hear a lot of clanking when I drive and the steering wheel has a little bit of play. So that's one of the symptoms when replacing the inner and outer tie rods. So we removed the wheel, and as you can see we have access to our outer tie rod, which is this one, and also we have the inner tie rod, which sits there inside. So basically what we have to do is to take out this 19 millimeter, and then here I think it's a 22, remove the outer tie rods. You will have to count the number of revolutions that you are taking out to make sure that your alignment also works closely, because you will have to take the car for the alignment after this. So I've just removed the outer one, as you can see right there. So what I'm going to do right now is to turn the wheel into this direction, so to make sure that I have easy access in the outer tie rod. So I just took off the boot, which is still in good condition. I'm gonna reuse this one, and you can see you have right there your joint. You can see right here. So what we have to do next is actually hit, there's two tabs, there's one on the top and one on the bottom. So we hit that, then we will turn it clockwise to remove it. So just pick a flat head screwdriver, insert it right there, and start hammering. So as you can see right there, the inner tie rod is also out. So now it's time to solve the newer part, which is this one, brand new, and also we have the outer tie rod. Let's go ahead and do the reverse process. When inserting it back, you are seeing on the clip we have those two grooves. You have to make sure that they are facing back, because they will have to align there. So the inner tie rod is there, as you can see, installed. So now it's time to insert back the boot. Make sure that you clean it up inside so it doesn't go with any mess. So let's go ahead and do that. The boot is all back together. So now the next step is to install the inner tie rod, the outer tie rod. The good of these ones, they have fittings for grease, so over time we can grease them periodically so they will last longer. So everything is done. As you can see right here, we inserted the newer tie rod, we fitted the loop holes, and that's it, job done. So make sure to check your car for alignment, because you will need alignment after this. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did like the video, please do not forget to leave your like, and see you around. Don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.